Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to greet members and guests of the General Assembly of the International Exhibitions Bureau. Russia has a long and rich experience of participation in the World Expo movement. We took part in the very first Universal Exhibition in London in 1851, at the Paris Exhibition in 1900. Our pavilion won the Calder Gold Medal and Grand Prix. But in all this time, Russia has not hosted the World Expo, not once. Surely, time has come to change this. So, we proudly submit our bid to host World Expo 2020 in Yekaterinburg, a dynamic and promising city. Our bids organizing committee has the full backing of the Russian government. We guarantee it will be a priority national project. We are going to build a massive state-of-the-art complex with the capacity to host 30 million visitors over the course of the event. We plan to allocate all the necessary funding for its construction. I am confident we shall welcome guests from 150 nations of the world with pride and dignity. Now, once again, I would like to make this very clear. Russia guarantees to fulfill the complete range of requirements set by the International Exhibitions Bureau. In particular, we are preparing a special program of support for developing countries. This will enable around 90 countries to freely participate in the Expo, completely free of charge. I can assure you that our grand-scale plans for 2020 will be delivered if Yekaterinburg is given the honor to host World Expo 2020. Thank you for your attention, and I hope for your support.